This is example 35. A pentagonal prism with side of base 30 mm and axis 60 mm long lies on one of its faces on HP such that its axis is inclined at 45 degree to VP. Draw the projections. Here you are having a pentagonal prism with side of base 30 mm and the axis height as 60 mm. The most important thing here is that one of the rectangular faces of this prism, as this is a prism, it will have faces in rectangular shape. So one of the rectangular shape face is resting on the HP, and also the axis is inclined at 45 degree to VP. So in the previous questions we've seen one question that there was a prism which was resting on its face on HP, and but the axis was perpendicular to VP. But here the only change is the axis is inclined at 45 degree to VP. But first, while drawing this projections, we'll first assume that the pentagonal prism is perpendicular to VP, and then we will draw the pentagon, front view as pentagon and top view rectangle, and then we will incline the top view with respect to VP. First we will see how to imagine that. Here now I have placed the pentagonal prism with its face on the HP, and but the axis is here is perpendicular to VP. Observe that the axis is perpendicular to VP. Here in this question, the angle of inclination is given with respect to VP. It is mentioned that it is inclined at 45 degree to VP. So to make it inclined, we will see it from the top, and now here you can observe the line. This is perpendicular to VP. So I'm going to tilt this pentagonal prism in such a way that it will make an inclination angle of 45 degrees with the VP. Now you can see here, observe that I am tilting with respect to VP, and so the top view will be two rectangles simply, as you can see here. And when you view this from the front, it will look something like this. So you will find a pentagon in front, and in the back also there is a pentagon, but three of its edges are not visible, so we will draw that in the hidden lines. So this is going to be our final front view. Now we will see how to draw this in the drawing sheet.
So as we have assumed that this is lying on the rectangular face on HP and its axis is perpendicular to VP, we will get a figure very similar to exercise number 33, which is there will be a just pentagon on the XY line of 30 mm in this way. As this is an assumption, we are just drawing with the H pencil. Zero, 10, 20, 30, 40, 60, 70, 72. I'm just leaving some space here and I'm taking this 60 mm height here. This is going to be your so as you can see here, this edge will come in dotted lines. When we assume that this is perpendicular to the vertical plane, we will get a figure like this, which is very straight, perpendicular to the vertical plane. But here in this question is mentioned that its axis is inclined at 45 degrees. So I will just take one point here and I will draw the axis line at 45 degree. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45. See that till now I am just using the 2H pencil only. Now we have to represent this shape, this top view here inclined with this axis. This is its axis line. As you can see here, the center line. So I need to measure its dimension. Forty-seven. So I am adjusting the drafter scale, I am aligning the drafter scale with the axis line, which means that it's making an angle of 45 degree to the VP. And then I will now here you need to carefully observe that I will draw the half portion here and half portion here. That is the total width was 47. 47 by 2 is 23.5. This is 20, or else I will draw from here. This is 21, 22, 23.5. Here you can observe till the end of 47. This is going to be a 60. 60. Again this is 47. Need not measure, we'll just take from this here dimensions. And also this dotted line should also be mentioned. For that we can just take it from this arc. You can cut here, as this is symmetric. You can take this here. Now I will. These are the two edges which are not visible from the top. Two longer edges which were not visible from the top. Now I will just mark some points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which means that this is 1 dash and this is your 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, and this is 5 dash. This implies this is 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, and 5 dash. Now we have to use the 2H pencil and project each and every edge from the front, from the top view. This is the line for axis line, and from this side also. Very light with 2H pencil again. From this front view also. This seems to be very complicated, but it will become very easy once you see it. Just don't worry. Now there are lots of lines in here. Do not worry, I will make it easy for you. It's just that we will be seeing two pentagons from the front. which will be contracted, but this face, this pentagonal base is visible to us. So I will first draw this. Here is the first point in this diagram, and here is the 1 dash from here, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash. So 1 dash is coming from here and it's meeting here. 5 dash, 4 dash, 3 dash, 2 and 2 dash. So as this pentagon is visible, I will draw this with the H pencil, which will appear in the actual front view of our given question. One more pentagon will be visible here. Now we will complete that. So this is 1, this is 1 dash, this is 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 and 5 dash. But one thing you need to observe, as we are seeing from the front, only these two corners will be visible, but this portion inside will not be visible to us. That is why we will draw this in dotted lines. I will show you now. This is visible, this is visible, this is so, and this we have to take in dashed lines. This portion also in dashed lines. Completes our question number 35.
So this is the final answer of your question number 35. Pentagonal prism resting on its face on HP with the axis inclined at 45° to VP. So you have these two conditions satisfied here. The face resting on the HP, axis inclined at 45° to VP.